Okay, so I've created the network S29 matrix, which use 2.4 GHz network, and let's try to see it. Now I will reconnect to my printer. Wait a while. So now, because of problems, I should restart this whole process of connecting to the printer. So I will disable my printer. Now I will reopen the Brother mobile application, and I will try to do the same things again. Okay, confirmed. Wait a while. Okay, I've connected to the printer. And now, as you can see, when my smartphone was connected to the 2.4 GHz network, it automatically see S29 matrix network in available networks. But if this device can't see your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and you're sure that your network is 2.4, you can connect with it just using other networks. So here, enter network name, authentication method, and then click done. It will ask you about password, and then you can connect in this manual way. Okay, so now I will enter the password for my network. Wait a while. And click connect. Now wait a while. And as you can see, Wi-Fi connected. To complete setup, follow the steps shown on your computer or mobile device. You can now use the machine on your mobile device. Cool. So click exit setup. Here we have Brother support web page opened, and I don't sure why. Okay, let's click OK. Protect your machine from unauthorized access by changing the default admin password. Okay. We will change it, but not in this video, because this is just do you want to change the default password? No. Okay, so that's it. And now let's try to print something. So I will open the Notes application. And here, for example, I have this image and I want to print it. So I'm clicking print. And now, just using AirPrint without any applications, our device should be visible in the network, just because our printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. And if your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Brother printer connected, you will see your printer model here in this list. Click on it and just click print in color if you want to print in color. Double-sided if you want to print long document in both sides of your paper card. I want to print in, okay, should be in color, okay. Click print, wait a while. And as you can see, the printer is receiving data and printing something. And as you can see, content was printed. Maybe I should troubleshoot some inks, replaced inks issues, and I will show you how to do that in other videos, because the printing quality is really bad. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye.